We've just been working through some leadership activities and sessions with our new year 12s. The boys were really engaged. What I really appreciated was the opportunity to work with Dan beforehand to create a tailored workshop for our boys. And so the boys came out of this knowing the vision and the goals that they would like to achieve over this year, which I think was an amazing opportunity. What I really appreciate is the fact that Dan did a lot to make sure that it was highly engaging for the boys. Lots of different things that they're involved with, lots of really interesting ways of sharing information. I would recommend that you work with Dan.
We'd just like to thank you for all of the stuff which you've taught us today. I personally have learned so much, especially about the monkeys, about all of the bad stuff, but also about all the good stuff, and we're all really looking forward to leading the college over the next year. So once again, just wanted to thank you, and boys, can we please give them a round?